Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning students, welcome to class of social science. Today we are going to start with history chapter number 4, national movements in India. Students, already in my first chapter I explained you that how Britishers they came to India. Okay, they came to India as in traders, and slowly and gradually they developed their supremacy over the country. Within 100 years they established their supreme power in India. Okay, and their main purpose was to make England prosperous on the cost of India. This was their main purpose. Okay, then after in your 8th standard you must have studied about the revolt of 1857. Okay, in 1857 a revolt was there against the Britishers. Okay, in that many great leaders like Rani Lakshmibai, Tatya Tope, Nana Sahib, they had taken the part. Okay, but this revolt failed. Why? Because there was lack of coordination. Okay, they did not had any sophisticated weapons, and each one fought for their own interest. And because of all these things, this revolt of 1857 failed. But after that, after many years, again this revolt, this revolutionary movement started in India for the independence, and how they finally led to our independence. Okay, which revolts, which revolutionary activities were carried out, that we are going to study in detail in this chapter. Okay, now first is boycott and indigenous movement. Boycott and indigenous movement. This was the movement. What happened, students? That Bengal at that time, the Bengal was a huge province. Okay, so Lord Viceroy Curzon, he decided to divide the Bengal into two, East and West Bengal. East and West Bengal, he decided to divide Bengal, and he gave the reason because that Bengal was a large province, so it was not properly administered. So on that he wanted to divide. But his main reason, कि main वो क्यों divide करना चाहता था बंगाल को? He wanted to divide Hindu Muslim. He wanted to break the unity of Hindu and Muslim. That was the main reason. So people were against this division. Students, many times this question is asked you that when this Bengal was divided and by whom? So in 1905, okay, Lord Viceroy Curzon, he decided to divide the Bengal. Why? Why you will write that Viceroy gave the reason that because of administrative purpose he wanted to divide, but actual reason was to break the Hindu-Muslim unity. So people were strongly against this. They observed this day as mourning day. Mourning, MOURNING, mourning means कोई गुजर जाता है तो जब हम रोते हैं, दुख प्रकट करते हैं, that is known as a dead mourning. So on this day was observed as a mourning day by both Hindus and Muslims. They tied Rakhi to each other to show their unity. Okay, they were completely against this partition. And they also observed boycott and indigenous movement. Indigenous means Swadeshi. Okay, in that following this adopt indigenous products. Indigenous means Swadeshi. Okay, उसके लिए उसके against जाने के लिए उन्होंने क्या start किया? They started the movement of using Swadeshi goods and boycott foreign goods. Boycott करना यानी किसी भी चीज को avoid करना, उसे use करना, stop करना. So they started boycotting the foreign goods. जो इंग्लैंड से बनके goods यहाँ पे आ रहे थे, they stopped using them and they started using Swadeshi products, indigenous products यानी Swadeshi. And because of that, England factories were badly affected. वहाँ से मैनचेस्टर से जो क्लोथ आता था, वहाँ से टोबैको, सिगरेट, ये प्रोडक्ट अच्छी तरह इंडिया में बिकते थे. But now people stop using their products. So their industries were badly affected. किसकी? Britishers की. Secondly, people started using Swadeshi goods. उन्होंने अपनी goods use करना start कर दी. तो उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ? जो Indian industries थी, okay, they boosted. Okay, काफ़ी सारी इंडस्ट्री, क्लोथ, खादी, ये वो उन्होंने यूज़ करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. So Indian industries came up. Also they adopted national education. Okay, जो उनकी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ थी, उनके स्कूल्स थे, इंग्लिश एजुकेशन, उसका भी बॉयकॉट किया और हमारे अपने इंडियन स्कूल्स, ओके, नेशनल एजुकेशन को इम्पोर्टेंस दे दिया. And this movement was so strong we are going to study about Muslim League 1906. It was established in 1906. See, firstly students, what happened, that Indian Congress was one party, but Britishers they came and they divided Hindu and Muslims. So Lord Viceroy Minto, what he did, he favored some of the upper class of Muslims. Muslims के जो upper class के leaders थे उन्हें उसने favor किया. Okay, he tried to convince them to have the separate electoral, separate party, and finally this Muslim League was established in 1906. And what they did, especially जिस दिन नेशनल कांग्रेस की पार्टी थी, ओके, उनकी जब कॉन्फ्रेंस थी उस पार्टी की, तो उसी दिन पे उन्होंने मुस्लिम लीग की कॉन्फ्रेंस रख दी. सो दे कुड नॉट अटेंड द कांग्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस. ओके, मुस्लिम लीग के जो मेंबर्स थे दे कुड नॉट join that congress conference, and that was the reason. From this they got a separate party. This Congress party was divided into two, and it is said that this division of Hindus and Muslims is not the brain of only Muslims, but it is came from the brain of Britishers. Okay, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, he was not the reason behind partition of Pakistan, but Lord Viceroy Minto, he was the reason. It's because that India was divided into two, India and Pakistan. Okay, so this was about establishment of Muslim League. Then after birth and development of extreme revolutionary movements, many revolutionary movements were there, and first revolutionary was Vasudev Balwant Phadke. He was the first revolutionary, and after that many other revolutionary leaders, okay, like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Chandrasekhar Azad, Veer Savarkar, many others. Okay, they joined these leaders, they joined these revolutionary activities. The trio of Lal Bal Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bipin Chandra Pal. These three important leaders, they also joined radical activities. See, this revolutionaries में there were two types. दो टाइप के revolutionaries थे, एक radical और एक moderate. Radical group, radical में वो थे, they wanted to get the freedom anyhow. Okay, भले वो कुछ भी फाइट करके रिवॉल्यूशनरी एक्टिविटीज करके उनको फ्रीडम चाहिए. और मॉडरेट में कौन थे, मॉडरेट में वो लोग थे, वो लीडर्स थे, दे वांटेड फ्रीडम बट विद रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस. ओके, उनको रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस के साथ थे. तो ये रिवॉल्यूशनरीज टू ग्रुप में डिवाइडेड है, वन रेडिकल एंड वन मॉडरेट. ओके, so they were divided into these two. Now Lokmanya Tilak, okay, he gave the slogan that freedom is my birthright and I will get it anyhow. And this maximum, this slogan was accepted by most of the revolutionaries. काफी सारे revolutionaries ने वो slogan accept किया. They wanted freedom anyhow. They were ready to sacrifice their lives or take the life of anyone to get their freedom. And these freedom activities were strongly spread in the states, in northern states like Gujarat, okay, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Bihar. In all these were strongly spread. Then many activities like Mitra Mela, okay, Abhinav Bharat Samaj, Indian Patriotic Association, these activities, they were also responsible. This gave the impetus to these revolutionary activities. Many newspaper, काफ़ी सारे newspaper छप रहे थे जिसमें revolutionary activities की वजह से लोगों को information दी जा रही थी, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग join हो रहे थे. Newspaper like Kesari, Vande Mataram, Navshakti, many such newspaper, they gave the impetus to these revolutionary activities. Many revolutionary activities were done, okay, like Howrah Massacre, Dhaka Massacre. These were the activities. Also, the conspiracy was done to kill the Viceroy Minto at Lal Darwaza in Ahmedabad. Okay, and after that also, in second stage also, many such revolutionary activities like Kakori loot. Kakori loot क्या है? लखनऊ के पास एक place है काकोरी, the other train को लूटा गया था. Okay, Lahore Massacre. These were the revolutionary activities. Even a bomb was thrown in Parliament in Delhi that you have studied already by this Bhagat Singh and all his friends. A bomb was thrown in Parliament in Delhi. So these were the revolutionary activities carried all over the India. And slowly and gradually these revolutionary activities were getting